Now we're going to look at the third set of effects. Firstly, you've got the dodge tool, the burn tool, and the sponge tool. Let's look at the dodge tool. Just like in the previous tutorial, you are able to select the diameter of your brush and also the hardness and pressure you apply. So let's see what this does. As you can see, that the dodge tool brightens up your image. Also on the top you've got an option of highlights, midtones and shadows. So we know highlights brightens up the image. Now let's click on midtones. That's a more softer brightness, and then we click on shadows, and again it just lightens up the image. The second effect option we have is the burn tool. Again, you've got highlights, midtones and shadows. So let's click on highlights. This saturates your image or darkens. Let's click on midtones. This does more of a burnt feel. And if we click on shadows, this really darkens up the image. So this is a good tool if you want to darken an image, and again, as the effect is called, it's called the burn tool, so it allows you to burn your image. The last effect option we have is the sponge tool. Again, this has desaturate and saturate. So desaturate adds some grey tones to your image, and saturate, it brightens your image and it adds more warmth to it. Again, this is a good tool if you want to edit your own photos and just brighten them up and give them some life. So to recap, the dodge tool, the burn tool and sponge tool. Make sure to have a play and experiment for yourself.